Hi, this is Rene Sagaran, pioneer member of the Maneuvers and former choreographer, dancer of Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V. Welcome to RAS TV! Guys, napanood nyo na ba yung Time First, yung podcast episode featuring SB19 and Gary Valenciano? It's a very powerful and inspiring collaboration. Napakagandang example nito, no? Especially sa lahat ng Filipino artists. So yung collaboration between P-Pop Kings SB19 and legendary OPM artist Gary Valenciano, it's not just iconic but symbolic in bridging generations. It reflects the continuity and evolution of Filipino music and artistry. So, yung kombinasyon ng experience ni Gary V and wisdom plus yung youthful energy and drive ng SB19 combined, kaya napakagandang podcast. So, yung conversation nila dito, very heartfelt. Yung mga struggles and triumphs ng SB19 and ni Gary V, share nila. So, it's very emotional and authentic. Kumbaga, personal lives din nila, no? Share nila. Beyond the stage. Kung ano sila kapag normal na tao. Kung ano yung mga na-experience nila. Kaya, kumbaga, makaka-relate ka talaga.
7 years pa yun. Grabe.
Yeah.
Parang tayo pa yun. 7 years na tayo.
Oh, see?
Ngayon parang tayo nagbubuhay.
Correct. Oh, see? But it takes
Very
time
good.
talaga. Now, what you do with that
I tell a
time,
lot of people, especially people in the arts, no, na not every good open door is a God open door. Time that you spend in that good open door that you walk through, it might be, instead of time that is spent with it, it's time wasted on it kasi it doesn't give any good in return. But when it's a God open door, that means all the other areas are going to be taken care of. Your time with your family, your time with this, your time to go, your time to do sports, your time to exercise, your time to be with friends and all. That's all answered. But in the course of time, it takes time, di ba? I always believe in the concept of planting good seed on good soil. So what we're doing now is we're planting good seed on you guys, on good soil. As to when tutubo yan, that will take time. And then buko, which is the most nutritious, it takes about 7 years. It's perhaps the most nutritious,
Yes.
but it takes time.
Lahat din po nagagamit. Sabi nila very useful.
Lahat din po nagagamit.
Husk and all.
Yeah.
So, it was not just a talk. It's like a passing of the torch. The mutual admiration was very evident. And kumbaga yung exchange of values like passion, perseverance, and faith. So, pinapakita lang na how they respect each other. So, one good example doon, yung kanento ni Gary, kung paano niya na-accept si Jesus Christ sa buhay niya. So, yung brother-in-law niya nga, tinanong siya kung kilala niya si Jesus Christ. And sabi niya, yes. Pero, kumbaga, hindi pa niya ina-accept. And, sabi lang nung brother niya, paano kung pauwi ka na ngayon and namatay ka, let's say, namatay ko on the spot, saan ka pupunta? So, yun, dun biglang tinamaan si Gary, hindi siya nakasagot kung mapupunta nga ba siya sa langit or sa hell. So, dun na yung time na nag-decide siya na tinanggap niya si Jesus Christ. Yung podcast, no, deliver a very strong, uplifting message. Like, keep going, trust the process, and honor your purpose. So, si Gary V and SB19, kumbaga, in-emphasize nila dyan, no, yung purpose mo in life na talagang dapat consistent mo siyang magawa. Kumbaga, importante talaga yan, no, yung purpose natin in everyone's journey. And meron sinabi doon si Josh, no, yung quote doon sa Kung Fu Panda. Gusto ko rin yun. Yung buo nun is sabi, di ba? Sabi ni Master Oogway. Sabi niya, yesterday was a history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That's why it's called present. So yun, kumbaga ang ganda nung quote na yan. Yung nakaraan, lahat ng mga nagawa natin, history na yan. Tapos yung bukas, wala naman nakakaalam. Si God lang. And yung mga everyday life natin, sabi nga nila, every gising is a blessing. When you woke up, syempre, papasalamatan mo siya. Kumbaga, hanggang sa before ka matulog, nung araw na yan, papasalamatan mo siya ulit. Kasi gift yan eh. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari. And hindi mo rin alam kung magigising ka pa kinabukasan.
If there's anything in my life na ayokong sabihin sa sarili ko, is this: I should have when I could have. But I didn't. Now I can't. Yun ang, I wish I never get to that. I should have when I could have, but I didn't. Now I cannot. So, don't ever get into that. That would probably be your biggest regret ever. You know?
Try. So,
Di ba?
Speechless ako.
So, yun nga, no? Talking about purpose, si Boss Gary V, alam naman natin yung purpose niya, no? Baga sinishare niya yung Word of God through his music. And maraming na-inspire. Kahit kami, no? Kahit gaano katagal na namin siyang kasama, every time na magkikita kami, na-inspire kami sa kanya. Lalo na pag nagsalita siya, no? Yung wisdom. Talagang grabe, tagos sa puso. Ang SB19 naman, yung purpose nila is yung God-given talent. Pinatunayan nila na kahit sobrang hirap, no, prove nila sila yung unang P-pop group na sumikat. Not only here in the Philippines, but halos buong mundo. So, mahirap gawin yun, no? Sobrang grabe pinagdaanan nila. And, syempre, yung purpose nila is to inspire, syempre, yung mga young generations. Believe in yourself, tapos pursue your dreams. Na kahit mukhang imposible, with God's help, no, everything is possible and achievable. So, yung mga songs na yan, no, yung mga sumikat na songs ni Gary V, inspirational and everything, and sa lahat ng nagawa ng SB19 na songs, generations to generations, talagang makaka-inspire yan. And kahit sa near future, no, hindi na yan mawawala. Andyan na yan. Makaka-touch yan ng everyone's heart. My final thought, itong podcast na to, no, hindi lang siya basta podcast. No. It's a moment in OPM history. This kind of collaboration elevates the local music scene. Showing how unity and humility among artists can inspire the next generation. So, napakaganda nito, no? As I've said earlier, it's a very good example to everyone, to every Filipino artist. Kumbaga, tanggalin na natin yung crab mentality. Yan ang sumisira eh, no? Especially sa larangan ng entertainment. Not only in singing, dancing, acting, no? Applicable yan sa lahat ng career, no? Kung ano man yung career path mo. Let's be a good example. And sabi nga ni Gary before, kung wala kang magandang sasabihin, siguro just keep quiet. Pero kung makaka-inspire naman yung sasabihin mo, just say it. So kayo guys, saan ba kayo talagang part na nakarelate? Kindly comment down below. Alright? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hope to see you on my next video. God bless you all. Peace.